Hi guys, today we are working on the Yaris D4D, Toyota D4D 2003. We had a broken injector clamp. So we removed the intercooler. So as you see, we replace it with 2011. Is much thicker and stronger, and the distance and the bolts and the heights are all similar to the 2003, but it's much stronger. This is 2003, and as you see, it's 2011 injector clamp. So it was leaking fuel all over the place. We diagnosed it, we realized that one is cracked. Replace it. Sealed properly, it's not leaking. But the only thing we got the light on the dash because the engine was misfiring. So we're gonna reset the light later on. The turbo is leaking a little bit, but it's not a major problem. It's still past MOT, but most of the stuff around is just the fuel was spraying out because the bracket was snapped. So now we tighten the bracket. The injector is not moving. The height is okay. It's just one bolt here. That's it. It's 12mm bolt. It's tight. We remove that one. There's a washer and the bolt. So even the earlier Toyota Yaris, still you can fit the injector clamp on them. 2011, 6, 7, 8. So it's running perfectly now. Alright, we have to boost the battery now. Not leaking anymore. This is the oil leak from the turbo. That's the turbo. So we're gonna feed the intercooler back. The intercooler with the cut. That's it. We've got two clips, one on the back, one on the front. I got two bolts holding the intercooler. One here, one on the back. So job done. Another happy day. See you later guys for next video.